that winter air and whatever. It's like 22 degrees outside and like 12 degrees inside the car right now. Good to have the cars finally back out. Now to pull down the Shelby.
Got my mind made up. I got my mind made up. I got my eye on the escape.
We just got back from our little drive, as you saw, and just in a little bit of a rush to get to work, but cars are running good. So much fun to drive, never get tired of it. And I look forward to, you know, they're out again, so I look forward to driving them some more, making a lot of content with them this summer. So be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.